Good afternoon. Welcome to another weekly forecast. Today is the 6th of November 2022. It's a Sunday afternoon. And yeah, this is the forecast for going into next week. As usual, I'm going to start with the dollar index. Last week, I anticipated a bullish dollar, which we had that from Monday to Thursday, and then Friday completely with NFP wiped out almost last week gains. So going into this week, looking at how price has performed, I'm looking for a run to the downside to this fair value gap here. And if we do get any pullback, I'm using this last up candle as a bearish order block to send price lower. Euro, quite the opposite of dollar index. I'm looking for a run up in here. Again, any pullback using this auto block here as a reason to send us higher. New Zealand, last week I had a really nice level in here to see the rejection. However, Friday also completely changed price direction, so we're looking for a run into the fair value gap up here. Aussie, same thing, fair value gap. This last down candle can be used as the springboard to send us up in here. With Aussie, if we trade through this, I'm looking at this area. If we trade through that, I'll be looking at this area. So we see how we trade inside this fair value gap going into the week. What I would like to see is Monday pullback to give us an entry to send us up there. If it opens and it rallies, that's okay, but that's not good for me personally, because I want to see at least the retracement before we go up. Crude oil has been amazing. Last week I mentioned that I wanted to see price trade up here, and so far so good. We are still on course. You can see Monday traded down, missed my entry by a few pips. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I had another potential entry that also missed me by a few pips, and then Friday they send it higher. Traded 3 days. So my next upside objective is up here. There's a fair value gap on the H4 that I'm looking for price to trade to. So 94.39, or you can use the 94.40 full figure, right? 94.40 level. Gold. So last week I wanted to see them run this equal high before going down, and price failed to do that. And then on Friday, on Thursday I anticipated them pulling into this auto block and coming to run this equal low. However, they failed to do that again, and then they've sent price up. So this equal high is going to be the next draw, and I like this. Okay, that also looks too clean, so I think they might go for that as well. So this and then that. On the daily time frame, there's a couple of fair value gaps before this, so I'll look for this fair value gap as the next draw. We are too close to this, and there's more room to the downside on Dixie, so I want to anticipate a move to the upside on this, to this fair value gap, and then potentially to run the equal high. If we get so much excitement to the upside, then I'll be looking up here. Okay. Euro yen, nice rejection on Monday. Actually traded this between Monday and Thursday to the downside, and then Friday they decided to reverse. Going into next week, there is a one level up in here that I'm interested in, so I want to see how price will react. once we get there. But into next week, I'm looking for a run to this level, and that's where I'll be interested in doing some trading. We could see it maybe retrace back down. If they do, that'll be a nice level to key off from. On the daily time frame, you can see they've closed in this imbalance, right? So if we retrace, I would like to see it go up in here. It's kind of consolidating, so I'm not looking for any expansion outside this range. If I see the range broken, then I will expect some big moves to unfold, because right now it's just consolidating. So if we break outside between this high and that low, then I will expect some big moves to unfold. And then finally, Euro Aussie, I'm still bullish. I've not seen any significant move to the downside to suggest that we've broken market structure. So going into next week, I don't have any level to key off from now, but by the close of Monday, hopefully I will have something. So it's a pair for me to wait Monday to see what I will get. Over here, EuroCAD, I have 3 levels that I'm interested in trading. I'm interested in buying here. Here I will look to see day of the week, time of the day, and then I'll see if I can get a sell off from that level. And then if we get through that, then this will be a likely level for me to look for a sell. Euro New Zealand, I'm looking for a run to this fair value gap on the H4, and I'm using this level as a potential sell. If we trade through that, then I'll be looking for price to trade here, but on the 1 hour there's a level inside this that I'll be interested in trading. If we do get there, it's this fair value gap or void in here. And then finally, New Zealand CAD had a really good week on this in terms of price movement. We were anticipating price to go up here, previous month high, and you can see price rejected. They've managed to bring it back up again, right? So we've resumed going up. My target has not changed, it's still up there. So I'm looking for a buy going into next week. You can see I have already placed in potential trade idea down here for a buy, and this will be my first objective. And then on the daily time frame, I'm looking for price to trade up here. Okay, so pretty much that's it from me. Very short and sweet. I'll touch base with you guys. Hopefully this week I'll try and do a live on YouTube. If not, I'll probably do maybe a lesson that I've been planning to do for a while. So stay tight, and I'll see you guys. Peace.